Hi, Mr. T. How are you?
Hi, man. How's it going? Good morning, man.
Good morning. Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to the class. Today is the 37th session,
Yeah.
and we are here with you with basic English, easy English. Please follow us and subscribe to our channels. It really helps us, and it's a big support. Well, today we want to talk about yes/no questions. What is a yes/no question? If you ask a question and the answer is yes or no, it's called a yes/no question. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I am not. That's a yes/no question, right? Now, today we want to look at this chart. We have a lot of yes/no questions. I want to play the audio. Please listen carefully and read, and then we talk about the rules. Let's listen to the audio.
3. Grammar. Yes, no questions and answers. Negatives. Am I late?
Yes, you are. No, you're not. You're not late. Are you busy?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not. I'm not busy. Is he tired?
Yes, he is. No, he's not. He's not tired. Is she strict?
Yes, she is. No, she's not. She's not strict. My boss isn't strict.
Is it hard work?
Yes, it is. No, it's not. It's not hard work.
Are we late?
Yes, we are. No, we're not. We're not late.
Are they nice?
Yes, they are. No, they're not. They're not nice. My coworkers aren't nice.
Okay, so this is the grammar chart. Before we move further, let me ask you a question, Mr. T. Please look at the questions chart. So here we have the questions, right?
Yeah.
So what is the first word in questions?
Be verb, am is are.
Neither. Excellent, very good. So in questions, yes, no questions, first we use be verbs, or as he said, am is are. Now, we know that for I, we use am. For you, we can use
Are.
are. It
Is.
is, he is, she is, and they are. Okay.
I have a
For answers,
question.
sure.
My boss isn't strict. Boss is mean here.
Boss, yeah, that's a good question. Boss means a manager, a person that you work with. Manager. For example, I work in a company. I have a manager or I have a boss. I have someone that I work for.
Yeah.
That's called a boss or a manager. Okay, so as I said, we use the be verbs, then we use the subject, am I late? For answers, it's the same. Am I late? Yes, you are. Are you busy? Yes, I am. These are positive sentences. For negatives, we need to use not after the be verb. I am not. He is not. Or it is not. We are not. After the be verb, use not, please.
Okay.
And for negative sentences, it's easy. We say, you're not late. Again, after the be verb, we use not to make the sentence negative. Now, let's look at some examples here. You, a tennis fan, he, friendly, and we in class. I want you to make some questions and say it to me. You, a tennis fan, can you please make a question?
Are you a tennis fan?
Excellent. Are you a tennis fan? Okay. Number 2. He friendly.
Is he
Question,
friendly?
is he friendly? Excellent. And we in class.
Are we in class?
Are we in class? Excellent. Okay, now this time let's make some answers. For number 1, are you a tennis fan? We want to have a positive answer with yes.
Yes,
Are you a tennis fan?
yes, I am.
Yes, I am. For number 2, is he friendly? Let's have a negative answer.
Yes, he is.
Negative.
Negative,
No,
no, he isn't.
he isn't. That's right. And number 3, are we in class? Again, negative.
Negative, no, we aren't.
No, we aren't. Nice. Okay. Do you have a question or anything
No,
here?
no.
Okay, let's move on to this part. In conversation, people use apostrophe S not and apostrophe RE not after pronouns. She's not strict, they're not nice. Isn't and aren't often follow nouns. My boss isn't strict. So it means if you have he, she, it, you can say he's not, she's not. But if you have a name, my boss, Michael, it's better to use isn't in conversation. Now, part A, complete the conversations, compare with the partner. Let's do it. Number 1.
How's the school? Are your classes interesting? Yes, I am. My teachers are very smart.
Okay, let's stop. Are your classes? It's not about you. It's
They
about your
are.
classes. Yes. Yes, they are.
Yes,
Yes, they are. Number 2.
Number 2, is your English class easy? No, it isn't. The lessons are easy.
The lessons aren't easy.
Aren't?
It's not easy. Aren't easy, right?
Aren't easy.
Okay. Number 3.
Are you out going in class? Yes. Yes, I am. I'm always going out. Outgoing.
I'm always out. Number 4.
Number 4. Is your English teacher strict? No, he isn't. Okay. Number 5. What's your job like? Is it fun? Yes, it is. My boss is very strict.
Okay, so the job is fun, right? It
Isn't.
means that his boss isn't strict.
My boss isn't very strict. Number 6. What are your neighbors like? Are they nice? No, they aren't. They are very fun.
Friendly.
Friendly,
They
sorry.
are very friendly.
Friendly.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you in the next session. Goodbye.